Hi, let's see how to download and set up Python in a Mac system. So first you have to open a browser and then you can search download Python in the search bar and you will see a link download Python. Click on it. Now here we can see that they have already detected my OS and here we can see the latest version of Mac. So you can click on download Python 3.8.5. So your package is being downloaded. Once the file is downloaded, click on it. Now you'll see a window. Click on continue. Again click on continue. Again click on continue. Click on agree. And then click on install. So here you have to provide your password or your touch ID. Then click on continue. Now it's being installed. Now your Python package is installed. So let's see Python ideally. So click on ideally. Click on OK. So this is the Python shell. Now let's see if Python is installed or not. We can verify it by going into terminal. We can type Python version here. Python hyphen version. So I have already Python 2.7 installed. So to check Python 3's version, type Python 3 hyphen version. So we can see Python 3.8.5 is installed. So this is how we download and set up Python. So hope you have all find this video useful. Thank you for watching.